Closing a till is more than a cash count. It's the step that confirms your records are accurate and the shift is truly complete. The Till Reconciliation Report gives you a clear, long-term view of till activity so you can confirm balances, explain differences, and maintain reliable financial records. In this video, you'll learn where to find the Till Reconciliation Report, what information it shows, and how to use it to reconcile and close till sessions with confidence. All reports in Roller live inside Venue Manager. From Venue Manager, go to Reports, then select Till Reconciliation. This report lets you review till sessions beyond the 7-day limit in POS, making it essential for reporting and follow-up. A till session tracks everything that happens on a cash drawer from the moment it's opened to when it's closed. They are recorded on the day they're opened. They include cash and card takings, refunds, the opening float, and cash added in or taken out. The Till Reconciliation Report brings this together so you can review past till sessions and identify patterns in any variances. If you want to view card takings in this report, right-click the column headers to enable it. From here, you can show or hide columns to suit your venue's reporting needs. When you close a till session in POS or VM, you'll work with 3 key values: the expected cash total, shown based on transactions recorded in Roller; the actual cash total, calculated by you and entered when the till is counted; and the variance, if there's a difference in the totals. Reconciling the till means confirming these amounts align and understanding why if they don't. The Till Reconciliation Report makes this especially easy to review. The expected cash total appears as cash takings. The actual cash total appears as cash counted. And any difference is clearly shown in its own variance column. The report also highlights intentional cash movements, like refunds, cash added in, or cash taken out. So those actions are already accounted for and don't incorrectly show up as a variance. A zero variance means the till balanced and the shift closed cleanly. If a till session shows a variance, you can follow up using the Till Discrepancy by Staff report for the same date. This report lists recorded cash variances by date and staff member, making it easier to follow up where needed. Because till sessions are recorded on the day they're opened and can span multiple days, a session may not appear where you expect or may show an unusually high cash balance. If a till isn't appearing for a specific date, it may have been opened earlier. We strongly recommend closing tills at the end of each day to avoid confusion. If you have the daily summary report scheduled to send at the end of each day and a till session is missing, that's usually a sign the till wasn't closed correctly and may still be open. If this is the case, log into Roller and check if there are any active till sessions. You now know how to review till sessions in the Till Reconciliation Report, compare expected and counted cash, and investigate variances when something doesn't add up. You're ready to reconcile tills, close shifts confidently, and maintain clean, reliable records.